Hey, good afternoon guys, and welcome back. Today I have a super cool little mod for you, and you are looking at it. If you're wondering what those panels are, well, those are LED solar powered lights. And the reason they are sitting on my roof are quite a few, and I will go through them real quickly. But let me tell you about these lights first. They are up to 600 lumens. They come with 8 LEDs, as you can see, and each light is powered by the solar panel. Not just one solar panel, each light has its own little solar panel. So, about a solar panel. I don't know what size that is. As you can see, these are not attached. I'm planning on running these, actually putting it on the top of the my accessories. Depends what I have on my roof at the campsite or not. The other two, as you can see, I did they slide in a small plate that comes with the light, so that's kind of forward facing, and this is backwards. So that to demonstrate that, I'm gonna remove the light. So these are small plates. They are permanently attached, one here, one on the back, one for the solar panel slider, and one for the front. Super easy to take on and off. All you have to do, slide them on. This is like the motion detection little bubble, and this one button only for a couple settings. First setting, motion detection. Second setting, it's like a power saving light, which is like a little bit dimmer than third setting, which is super bright. I mean, trust me, these are bright. Reason I have them, you know, when I'm cooking, when I'm camping, when I'm doing who knows what kind of crap, they're gonna lit up the area that I need to that I need a light for. So they are pivoting, they are rotating in well, 360 pretty much. You can flip them any way you want. So anywhere I need a light, depends what I'm doing and what I'm using them for. And of course, let me be clear, I am not driving around with these contraption looking suckers. They are just for a campsite. I like them so much that I actually pick up 6 of them. I got 4 in the car, and I got 2 spare somewhere in that mess. As you guys know, if you follow my channel, with all the accessories that I start building on the top of my roof rack, option for a rooftop tent was out. A couple reasons for that. They are super heavy and they are super expensive. You guys know that. And having a rooftop tent, and then one side be awning, and the one side my road shower, that's a crap load of weight. So rooftop tent was out of the question. Sleeping platform was going to be built in my GX with a couple accessories and all that, and these gonna complement you know, campsite. My grill gonna be built somewhere, you know, I mean, you know, for a future crap. And of course the motion detection is so awesome. I did test that, and these suckers pick up like 15 feet around the vehicle, any movement. So me sleeping inside, when they come on, hey, creepy animals crawling, dragging ass, them bitches gonna be lit up. Or for that matter, nasty creepy people, well, for them I have a lights and the big bitch and a couple small bitches all over the place. So yeah, I'm a gun enthusiast, guys. I'm ex-military, so I know how to use it. Alright guys, that's enough of me blabbing. You have seen how I attach them, how easy it is to remove them. I'm gonna put in a description the size of a light, the size of solar panels, brand and lumens, of course, you know, some specs. I know I'm gonna find these useful. I like them. Was a super easy mod. So anyway, enough about all that. Please subscribe, share, like. It will definitely help the channel on the long run. Stay tuned for a new mod coming very soon. Also, I'm gonna do some night footage so you guys can see. So let's demonstrate these lights real quick. I'm in the garage and you can see the car, probably like 15 feet or so away. I'm gonna step in the garage, and as soon as I do that, you see how they pick me up. We're gonna walk on the side. Let's see, I don't want to go in the grass. There you go. So pretty handy. If I turn them in direction towards the front, they will pick up everything up front, of course. I also have a 2 extra, so I don't have to, you know, twist the lights around, manipulate. But that's the demonstration. I know you guys want to see the motion the most. There you go. I'm like, walking in the wet grass sucks. But anyway, thank you for spending your time with me, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.